Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the laptop can see its drive. This is why many media test failures happen. Reboot and press F2 or Dell to open BIOS. Once inside, make sure the internal SSD or HDD appears in the hardware list, then set it as the first boot target. Also, disable PXE or network boot so the system stops attempting network startup. Save and exit. If the drive is missing, power down and check the next steps. Once done with BIOS checks, you move to physical inspection because loose cables often cause the error. Power off, unplug, and remove battery if accessible, then open the access panel. Reseat the drive, disconnect and reconnect the SATA or M2 module, making sure screws are snug but not over-tightened. Look for bent pins, damaged connectors, or debris. If you have a spare cable or slot, try swapping to rule out a faulty connector. Reassemble and test boot. You finish by isolating software issues and applying repairs. Boot to the Dell Diagnostics menu with F12 and run a quick drive test, record codes shown. If hardware passes, create USB recovery media and repair the bootloader or reinstall the OS. This fixes corrupted boot records. If diagnostics report failure or the drive still isn't detected, replace the drive and restore from backup. One tip: if replacement doesn't help, update BIOS and firmware before contacting Dell support to avoid missing compatibility fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.